Hi everyone, welcome to Be Smart Together. Before we start, please click subscribe and turn on the notification to avoid missing valuable videos. Today, I will show you a few examples of group by. Is this the way how you use group by to group multiple layers? Let me show you another way. Hold the Control key, select the columns in your desired order, and then click group by to group them. Here you go. The selected columns are all set for you. The next thing I want to explain briefly is the group by operation. I am sure most of you already know those operations. They are pretty straightforward. In this video, I want to cover the last one, all rows. As usual, M code is auto-generated, the highlighted code can be deleted. The group selection column is the second element in the formula bar as a list, where the operation is the third element as a sublist. Click on the first cell, and the transactions are grouped and returned as a subtable. The highlighted code, underscore, is generated when we select all rows, and it groups transactions into tables. Replace the underscore with one of the column names, and you will get the column content as a list. Preview the list, and each list contains data at the group level. If you apply the Text.Combine function with a semicolon as the delimiter, each item on each sublist will be combined, and multiple rows of text will be combined into a row. Let's reset for another example. Delete the highlighted column name. It will still work but left with a subtable. Now type in the column name, type. Check out the type and vegetables spelled inconsistently. What can we do? Are you thinking of the replace function? The real trick is fuzzy. Add the word fuzzy to the formula bar as highlighted. Awesome. How good it is. It is now grouped into one group. You can also apply various functions to subtables depending on your situation. For example, add Table.AddIndexColumn index function. Here is the last example in this video. The source report looks like this. The report contains two parts, sales and quantity. Some columns are not well aligned, and not all rows have data. We need to do two things before we can apply the group by function. Firstly, select columns 1 and 2, go to the Transform tab, click on Fill and then select Down to fill down. So, we fill out the missing data gap. Secondly, filter out all the null rows, those rows are not required. Now we can apply the group by function to group column 1, and select all rows. We have two groups of tables, sales and quantity. Again, we don't need the highlighted code. We want to promote the first row in the subtable to the header row. So, add the Table.Promote header function as highlighted. Then, preview to check if the header was promoted. Now we want to append those two tables. Right-click on column 2's header and select Drill Down. We want to add the Table.Combine function to combine those two tables. Two things left to do: combine these two columns, and delete the empty column, column 3. Select the sales and quantity column, go to the Transform tab, and click on the Merge column to merge those two columns. Let's name the new column transaction type and click OK to continue. Select column 3 and delete it. Group by function is a very powerful function for transformation. I will show a more advanced example in future videos. But, for now, I will leave you some imagination space. Feel free to drop any comment. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to click like if you like the video.